Hey, this is Michelle Getzinger here, and I'm with my clients, and we're doing a home inspection. I want to introduce you to Tim Quinn here from Pillar to Post. He's my main guy I recommend for everybody. He even does all of my own personal inspections for my properties. And today he's going to give you a little tour around, and so you know what to expect when you're getting your home inspection done.
Thanks, Michelle.
Yep.
Hey guys, follow me. We're going to take a look at as part of a home inspection, we do all the mechanicals in the house. Came inside to this house and we found the electric panel. Oh, this one's actually an electric panels. This is an old fuse and cartridge system. So the way this works is this cartridge right here controls is your main shutoff for the entire house. You pull it out and the power goes on, you put it on, put it back in, and the power goes on. The issue with these are they're outdated, they're antiquated, they're obsolete. Homes today should be covered by a breaker system. In this case, we have a 100 amp system, should be converted over to a 100 amp breaker system, if not higher, just to accommodate the current lifestyles, current appliances that are there. This was state of the art 1955. So our recommendation on this is going to be consolidate and create a breaker system. As we move over to the HVAC system, this is a Lennox oil-fired furnace. So oil operates very similar to a gas unit that most of people have in their homes, except the fuel is not natural gas. It's stored in a tank that is stored at the outside of the house. Piping right here brings it into the system. These copper pipes goes into our burners. Our burners are in here. We don't actually open those because it's very hot inside. But it functions much like a gas system, and it is very efficient. It actually can be a little cheaper than natural gas just based on what kind of deal you get with the oil company. Biggest concern in Pittsburgh these days is the basement walls. Now we can see that the walls here are stained, and we have a little bit of paint starting to peel. So we look at the wall and we throw a moisture meter on it, and we're getting between 99 and 100% saturation. Even if we go up high, we can actually see where the ground is, comes all the way almost to the top block. We're getting it. So case like this, obviously, besides getting a basement contractor in here to take action to correct this condition, we want to improve the site drainage. We want to make sure that the grounds aren't sloping to the house. Maybe peeling all this paint off, putting some dry lock on. Well, that's not going to solve the problem. It's going to at least provide an additional barrier. We were talking about our HVAC system. One of the byproducts of combustion is condensation. Any type of HVAC system with a combustible system is going to have a little bit of condensation that needs to be taken somewhere. Typically, we'll see either a pump on it that attaches and sends a little clear tube down to your sanitary tub. In this case, they're running a gravity-fed system all the way through along the wall, and they actually hook up into a really nice section of garden hose that's been cut, passes through the bathroom wall. And if you come in here, you'll see that we tied directly with the garden hose that's been painted into the main plumbing stack right here. This is not actually permitted. The condensate drain has to have an open gap, an air gap, has to have a trap, something that would prevent a clogging of the pipe, the sewer pipe. Actually, sewage can come filter back up through it into the HVAC system. So something very simple, simple fix can, if something goes bad, can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. So it's something we definitely recommend to be repaired.